This will be the third lesson in Unit 6, Solving Systems Applications. So here we have a word problem, and we're going to need to define our variables, write the two equations that will make up our system, solve each of those equations for y so that we can use the calculator to solve them, and then answer our sentence, put our answer, that is, in a complete sentence. So here we have a boy has 25 coins in his piggy bank. So we have a total number of coins. Now these coins consist only of dimes and quarters. The total value of the coins is $3.25. How many of each type of coin does he have? So we are going to define our variables by the type of coins. So X is going to be the number of dimes, and Y is going to be the number of quarters. Okay, so we have two equations that we need to find or need to write. One is going to deal with the total number of coins. I'm going to use a hashtag for number. And the other one is going to be the total amount of money, because they told us that we have a total value of $3.25. So we'll just say the total money. So the total number of coins is going to be the number of dimes plus the number of quarters, and that's going to give us a total of 25 coins. Now for our money, we're going to take the number of dimes and multiply it by how much a dime is worth. A dime is worth 10 cents. A quarter is worth 25 cents, so we'll take 25 cents times the number of quarters to get the total money I have in quarters. And that would all be totaling $3.25. So the first thing we're going to do now is split this up and solve each of these equations for y so we can use the calculator. So we have x 25, and we have 0.10x plus 0.25y equals 3.25. Solve for y, change it. So basically subtract x from both sides. For this one we have a little bit more to do because we do have a coefficient of y that's not 1. So we're going to move this x term over to the other side. So we have 0.25y equals negative 0.10x plus 3.25. Now we're going to divide everything by the coefficient of y, which happens to be 0.25, also called 25 hundredths. And then the 0.25's cancel out here, leaving the y. Do negative 0.1 divided by negative 0.25, positive 0.25 in your calculator, and you get negative 0.4, and that's going to be our x's. And then basically this is asking how many quarters are there in $3.25, and that would be 13 quarters. So now we're going to go to the calculator. We're going to put the negative x plus 25 into y1 and the negative 0.4x plus 13 into y2. So we go to y equals and start typing. And negative 0.4x plus 13. And then we're going to graph. Now at this point it's working. I'm not seeing anything, and all I see is this little bitty sliver of a line up there, so I'm not seeing the intersection. So I need to go to zoom. I'm going to choose option number 3 for zoom out, and then I hit enter. And that's going to redraw so that I can then see the intersection on the screen. At this point, we follow our directions and do second trace because we want to calculate. We're going to calculate the intersection, and then I'm going to hit enter until I see the word intersection here. So first one, second one, and then intersection. So this says that x is equal to 20, so the number of dimes would be 20, and y is equal to 5, so the number of quarters would be 5. So he has 20 dimes and 5 quarters. Now to test this out, we can go back to the regular screen and say 20 times 10 cents, it's $2. And 5 times 25 cents is $1.25. And $2 plus $1.25 is definitely $3.25. And 20 plus 5 is 25. So that would satisfy both equations. So this is solving systems of applications.